today I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a while. I am going to go ginger. Today I'm going to be using the As I Am color wax. This is just a temporary color and it comes as like a gel curl color, but we're gonna try on my locks now that my hair is longer. I used this like a while back and honestly it's probably expired. Yeah, it says 12 months and I still have it and I'm not gonna buy more. Like I'm gonna just use this one. It's fine. It's fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. And we're about to see what I look like ginger. So we're gonna work in sections. We're gonna do the back section first. This is how much I'm gonna use for this back section. I'm not scared of buildup, honestly. I think buildup's scared of me. It's looking ginger, it's looking ginger. I don't need like a bright ginger. This is good enough for me. Is it giving ginger? Is it giving ginger? It's a really quick process, honestly. This is low-key making me want to dye my hair. So this is what one side's looking like. This is the back. I'm just trying to make it not look so clumpy. I know you can get this product from Sally's, but of course you can get it from like Amazon, because Amazon literally has everything. I think it's like around $10. I honestly can't remember, but it doesn't look as ginger. It looks kind of more like a brown. We're gonna try to do like some highlights. Ooh. Yeah, we didn't do much. I want some pieces a little lighter. I don't know. It looks good though. I'm not gonna lie, it does look good. Ooh, it does look good. More on my tip. Let's see what the back looks like. It looks good though. So I just went outside and I don't really feel like I can tell, like I can't really see the color as much as I can like in my camera. But I shot a little video for y'all so y'all can see my hair, but like it just kind of looks sun-kissed outside. But in the camera, I feel like it's giving more copper, right? Is it? Or am I just tripping? I'm about to style my hair. And we're gonna see how it looks. I don't know. What should I do? What should I do? I'm so funny. I said I'm about to style my hair and then I do like the most simplest style I could possibly do. But I haven't done this style in a while. And my hair is still like a little bit damp. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think I want to go ginger. Like, the longer I look at it, the more I question the color. If you want something fun and cute and like temporary, go for it. And I don't think I'm gonna go ginger. I think we're gonna stay brown, stay natural. But this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more. And I'll see you next time. Bye.